Is learning the English language your toughest challenge yet? Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials.
Mr. Jones, shall we now discuss the packaging?
Very well. You know, we have definite ways of packaging garments. As to blouses, we use a polythene wrapper for each article, all ready for window display.
Good. A wrapping that catches the eye will certainly help push the sales. With competition from similar garments producers, the merchandise must not only be good value but also look attractive.
Right you are. We'll see to it that the blouses appeal to the eye as well as to the purse.
What about the outer packing?
We'll pack them 10 dozens to 1 carton, gross weight around 25 kilos a carton.
Cartons?
Yes, corrugated cardboard boxes.
Could you use wooden cases instead?
Why use wooden cases?
I'm afraid the cardboard boxes are not strong enough for such a heavy load.
The cartons are comparatively light, and therefore easy to handle. They won't be stowed away with the heavy cargo. The stevedores will see to that. Besides, we'll reinforce the cartons with straps. Silk blouses are not fragile goods. They can stand a lot of jolting.
Maybe you are right, but the goods are to be transhipped at Hamburg or London. If the boxes are moved about on an open wharf, the dampness or rain may get into them. This would make the blouses spotted or ruined.
No need to worry about that. The cartons lined with plastic sheets are waterproof, and as the boxes are made of cardboard, they will be handled with care.
Well, I don't want to take any chances. Besides, cartons are easy to cut open, and this increases the risk of pilferage.
Tampering with cartons is easily detected. I should say that this rather discourages pilferage.
Maybe so, but I'm afraid that in case of damage or pilferage, the insurance company will refuse compensation on the ground of improper packing, or packing unsuitable for sea voyage.
But cartons are quite seaworthy. They are extensively used in our shipments to continental ports. There are never any complaints from our clients, and our insurance company has also approved such packing for WPA and TPND.
If you could guarantee compensation in case the insurance company refuses to honor a claim for faulty packing, we would be quite willing to accept cartons.
I'm sorry, but we can't take on any responsibility that is beyond our functions and powers. We'll make sure that the packing is seaworthy, but we can't commit ourselves to being responsible for every kind of mishap.
I can understand your position. Perhaps I'm asking too much.
We'll use wooden cases if you insist, but the charge for packing will be considerably higher, and it also slows delivery.
Well, I'll call you immediately for instructions on the matter.
Please do. I'll be waiting for your reply. I would like to open a checking account at this branch.
Do you have any other accounts with this bank?
I do. At a different location, I have a savings account and a CD.
In that case, we will need to fill out this paperwork. Do you have identification with you?
Here is my driver's license. Will that work?
Yes. Do you know what type of checking account you would like to open, business or personal?
Business, please. And I want the most simple one you have.
Then you would like Thina Frill's business account.
I'm pleased to meet you again, Mrs. King.
Pleased to see you, too, Mr. Brown.
You've had a good trip, I hope.
Yes, a very pleasant journey, thank you.
It's been a full 2 years since we last saw each other.
So it is, I've come again to renew our sole agency agreement for another 2 years.
We shall be pleased to talk the matter over with you. You've done very well in fulfilling the agreement.
I'm glad you're satisfied with our work. I can assure you we've spared no effort and spent quite a sum of money in pushing the sales of your products.
Yes, we appreciate your efforts in pushing the sales of our pianos. We can see you are experienced in this particular line.
Thank you.
But I think the annual sale of 300 pianos for a sole distributorship in Canada is rather conservative. After all, you sold around 400 pieces there last year. You can sell more this year according to the marketing conditions at your end.
That is the result of our hard work. Well, what annual quantity would you suggest for the new agreement then?
500 pieces.
No, that's too big a number to be acceptable. Let's put it at 450 pieces. And we'll strive to sell more, of course. We wish to add another clause. For every 50 pieces sold in excess of the quota, we'll get 1% more in commission for our efforts.
All right. Let's fix it at 450 pieces then. And for every additional 50 pianos sold, we'll give you 1% higher commission.
I suppose all the other terms remain unchanged.
We would like to make a specific mention of one more point. As our sole distributor, you will neither handle the same or similar products of other origins nor re-export our goods to any other area outside your own.
No, certainly not. That's a reasonable restriction.
Another thing is that every 6 months we would like to receive from you a detailed report on current market conditions and the user's comments on our products.
Yes, we've already prepared one. I've brought it with me. I'll put it forward when we talk with the manufacturers tomorrow.
Good. That's all then.
Good.
National Trust.
My name is Alice Lynn, and I need to know if some money has been transferred to my account yet.
Just 1 second, and I'll check.
Thank you.
As an existing banker, that will speed up the process. You said you had the documents with you?
That's right. Here you go.
Before I verify those, I need you to fill in some forms. Then, as I said, I need to see valid credentials, your occupation and income details.
Okay, as I expected. How much will you allow me to borrow? I mean, I don't need a massive sum of money.
You are authorized to borrow up to 20,000 RIB, with a repayment period of up to 1 year.
That'll be enough, and the repayment period sounds good to me.
We can also look at your current credit status and adjust the interest accordingly.
How soon before this goes through?
If you sort out all of the paperwork today, you could have your loan by the end of the week.
Perfect. So, I guess my next job is to go to the newsagent and buy some car magazines. Thanks for everything.
Mr. Edgar, hello. How's business? Still booming? What can we do for you today?
Well, I'm here to get some help from you. I was hoping to have someone who we can deal with exclusively. On a long-term basis, if that's possible.
What we can do is to assign you a customer manager. That way you can just deal with him. You don't need to deal with anyone else.
That sounds perfect.
Hey, son, are you insured?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of it. Have you bought one, Dad?
I took out a life insurance policy and made your mother the beneficiary.
Can you tell me why you want to buy it?
I am a fireman and it is a dangerous job. I have to consider your mother's life.
Oh, I see. Do you advise me to buy one?
You have children now. What if something, God forbid, happens to you?
That's true. Well, how much do you think I should get?
A $100,000 policy shouldn't be too expensive. Here, call my agent. He'll give you a good deal.
Welcome. What can I do for you this morning?
I'm here on holiday and I don't have a local debit card. Is it possible to withdraw money on my Visa credit card here?
Well, welcome to our country. I trust you are having a pleasant stay?
Oh, yes. It's amazing here. I don't think I ever want to go home again.
That's the opinion of most people. Do you have your passport with you? I'll need to see that and you'll need to fill in this withdrawal form.
Fine. Here you go.
How much would you like to withdraw?
Is it okay to withdraw USD?
That's fine.
Okay. 200 United States dollars, please.
Here's your money. Your card and your passport. Please double-check the amount for me.
Perfect. Thanks.
Mr. Jacobs, lovely to see you again. What can I do for you today?
I'd like to make a deposit, please, into my granddaughter's account. It's her birthday on Friday.
What a thoughtful granddad. Do you have her account details with you?
Yes, right here.
Great. Please fill them out on this deposit slip.
Here? And here?
That's right. How much do you want to pay in?
1,000 rib.
Not just a thoughtful granddad, but a generous one too.
It's an important birthday.
Sandra Wu Chunk International.
Hello, Miss Wu. This is Dan Robson calling from OTC Limited. I'd like to check my last order. When exactly was it sent out?
I can check that for you right now. Would you mind holding?
Sure, no problem.
Mr. Robson, I'm sorry. Our computer system is down. Could I call you back later?
Sure. Do you have my number?
Yes, I have it right here. I'm so sorry about this.
No problem. I'll wait for your call. Hello. Are you here to withdraw some money from your account at the securities company? I'll need to see your passbook for that account.
Right. Here it is.
Thanks. Okay, your balance is 320,214 rib. How much do you require today?
I'll take 4,500 rib, please.
Please fill in this transfer form and enter your password, here. Then the transaction should be completed.
Okay, there we go. Thanks very much.
Stupid girl. Making me spend so much money. Now I have to get it from the ATM.
Hello. Welcome to Universal Bank. Please insert your card into the slot.
I know where to put my card. Stupid machine. Talking to me like I'm an idiot.
Please input your 6-digit PIN code followed by the pound key. Thank you. Please select an option. Thank you. You have selected withdrawal.
Yeah, I know what I selected. Just give me my money.
Please type the amount you would like to withdraw. Thank you. You want to transfer 10,000 United States dollars to the World Wildlife Foundation. If this is correct, please press 1.
No, no, stupid machine. What are you doing? No.
Confirmed. Thank you for using our bank. Please remove your card from the slot. Goodbye.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials.